Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I'm Marie. Today we are going to crochet this beautiful flower hexagon together. This project is great for cozy blankets and cushion covers and sweaters and a lot more. So let's just get started. For my hexagon I'm going to use 4 different colors of yarn and I am using Drops Merino Extra Fine and it is a DK light worsted weight yarn. I will also need a 4.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle, and some scissors. First, we're going to make a magic circle. So I'm going to wrap my yarn around my 2 fingers and create a cross. Then I will take my hook and insert it underneath the bottom yarn, grab the top yarn and pull through. Then I will yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. So here is my magic circle and I already have 1 chain, so I'm going to make 2 more chains. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And the 3 chains here will count as the first double crochet of round 1. So I'm going to make 11 more double crochet into the circle. So yarn over and insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and 10 more. I now have 12 double crochet in total, including the chain 3, so I'm just going to pull my yarn tail here to close the circle. And I will end the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. So just insert, pull through the loop on the hook. And I will fasten off my yarn. To attach my new color of yarn, I'm just going to insert my hook into any one of the stitches and pull my new yarn through and tie a knot. Then I will insert my hook and pull the yarn through and chain 3. And the chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of the round. So next I'm going to make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. And next, chain 2. Into the next stitch I'm going to crochet 2 double crochet together. So I will yarn over and insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, then yarn over again, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So I now have 3 loops on the hook. I will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then chain 2. And I will just repeat that all the way around. So I will crochet 2 double crochet together into every stitch around and chain 2 in between. So at the end of the round I will have 12 clusters of 2 double crochet together in total. So again, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And chain 2. And repeat again. And remember that the chain 3 here also counts as a stitch, so we also have to work into the top here of the chain 3. And here at the end of the round, I will just do my last chain 2, and I will make a slip stitch into the first stitch. So the first real stitch here, not the chain 3, but the real double crochet here. So just insert and pull through the loop on the hook. And again, I'm ready to fasten off my yarn. To start the next round, I'm going to attach a new color. So I'm going to insert my hook into any one of the chain spaces in the round. I will pull my yarn through and I will tie a knot. Then insert the hook and pull through and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And the chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of the round. So next I'm going to make 2 more double crochet into the same space. Then I'm going to chain 2. 1 and 2. And then I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the next chain space. So 1, 2, and 3. And again, chain 2. And I will just repeat that all the way around. So 3 double crochet into every space and chain 2 in between. So at the end of the round, I will have 12 clusters of 3 double crochet. And here at the end of the round, I'm just going to do my last 2 chains and make a slip stitch here in to the first stitch of the first cluster here. So not into the chain 3, but into the first stitch here. And again, I will fasten off my yarn. And I will attach a new color of yarn into any one of the chain spaces. And insert my hook and pull up my yarn and chain 1. And to start the 4th round, I'm going to make 1 single crochet into this chain space here. So insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And next I'm going to create the first corner of my hexagon, so I'm going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I'm going to go over to this next space here and make another single crochet. So insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And then I'm going to chain 3 and make a single crochet into the next space. And again, I will make another corner, so I'm going to chain 5. And make a single crochet into the next space. And I will just repeat those last 2 steps all the way around. So I will alternate between making 3 chains and single crochet, and then 5 chains and single crochet all the way around. So again, chain 3 and single crochet and chain 5 and single crochet into the next, and repeat. So here at the end of the round, I will do my last chain 3, and I will end the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet right here. And to start the next round, I'm going to make a slip stitch into this 5 chain space here. So insert and pull through the loop on the hook. And then I will chain 3. And the chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of the round. So next I will make 2 more double crochet into the same space here. And then chain 2. And make 3 more double crochet into the same space. So here we have the first corner of the hexagon. Next I'm going to chain 1, and I will make 3 double crochet into the next chain 3 space here. So 1, 2, and 3. And again chain 1 and make the next corner. So 3 double crochet, then chain 2 to make the corner, then 3 more double crochet into the same space. And then chain 1. And I will just repeat making those last 2 steps all the way around. So I will make the sides, 3 double crochet and chain 1, and I will make the corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into the same space. So again, 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 1, and into the next space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into the chain 5 space. And chain 1, and just repeat around. So here I am almost at the end of the round, and I'm just going to make my last 3 double crochet into the last chain 3 space. And I will chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. And I will fasten off my yarn. And all that's left to do now is just to weave in the yarn tails on the back side. And we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.